Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQ test as well as audio test. So first of all, you must read Gotranscription guideline rule. These guideline rule is very important. You must apply all these guidelines into the test. So you need to read all these transcription guidelines all the way to the end. This will help you during the exam. After reading these transcription guidelines, let's start the MCQ test first. And start from first question. Question is, which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? There is four different options, and first option is correct of first question. Second question is, if there is a sound of laughter made not by the speaker but by other people, should if it all it to be included in the transcription for verbatim. So we simply check in transcription guideline rules using control plus F command, and you see this is the laughter tag and write in this way. So there is five different options, and correct option is first because this laughter tag is right. It should always be written on the separate line in the format of this. Third question is, the examination will consist dash two section. There is four different options, and correct option is will consist of two section. And fourth question is, if there is a sentence and so on, and there is the four different option of fourth question. So correct option of this question is D. D is the correct option of fourth question. Fifth question is, full verbatim includes. So we simply check in transcription guideline and check full verbatim section. In section, those are speech error, false start, filler words, slang words, starter, repetition are included in full verbatim. So that's why first option is correct, second is correct, third is correct, fourth is correct, fifth and F. All option is correct of fifth question. Sixth question is, if the quality of audio or video file is variable, what do you have to do? So if the audio is unaudible, let the support know about this case, Gotranscript. This first option is correct, second option is also correct. If many part of simply unintelligible, leave to the accent or topic, leave the file for other people. A customer dedicate instruction on how to transcribe audio. Do you have to transcribe the instruction word for word? So instruction should never transcribe. So instruction for spoken direction, paragraph, comma, period should only be followed unless a client specifies. So seventh question answer is B. Eighth question is, when should time stamping every 2 minutes start in the audio segment of 15 to 20 minutes? So there is six different option, and correct option is D. So D is the correct option of eighth question. And ninth question is, If you are working on a part of 5 to 15 minutes, timestamping every 30 seconds should start at 5 to 15 minutes start from 5. So 5 option is correct. 10th and last question. If there is a name, surname you cannot speak out due to the speaker manner of speech, what are you supposed to do? So mark is unintelligible. If you have any doubt, you simply read transcription guideline. You get the answer of this question. It's written use unintelligible when speaker can be heard but it cannot be understood due to speaker manner of speech and so on. So that's why this option is correct. After all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description. There is a link for audio test. I upload very soon. So I hope you like this video and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.